For the second race out of 136 races, that's almost 9 years worth of racing. The newly crowned 450 Supercross champion Eli Tomac will be sitting out the last round of the 2022 season in Salt Lake City because round 14 in Atlanta he injured his left knee, tearing his MCL, and well, obviously he's already wrapped up the championship in Denver, so the last round really doesn't mean anything. Obviously there'd be some bonus money if he won, but obviously Supercross is over. He's got his championship. Now him and Star Racing Yamaha are both looking forward to motocross, which starts May 28th. So what's an extra week? A little more time to heal, a little more time to get prepped and ready, maybe, a little more motocross testing or whatever they're going to do. But, it's kind of sad. As far as I know, as far as I've read, he's still going to make it or go to the race to probably sign some posters and whatever and be the champ and show everyone, hey, how's it going? I'm still here. But, that's one more big name that's out for out for Supercross, at least for the last round. It makes sense on his part. There's no reason for him to race the last round and possibly get hurt. But so while it's kind of sad to see that he's not going to be running, I'm kind of happy about it because I would like to see a full field for motocross. So all eyes turn to this guy right here. Also on a Star Racing Yamaha, the 250 side, Christian Craig. He has to, I think, finish 14th or better, which, I don't think he's finished below 14th in years or whatever it is, especially not this year with how fast he's looking. So in the comments below, do you think Christian Craig's going to win his title? Do you think the Lawrences are going to get an East-West brother shutout of the title? Whatever it is, comment below. Do all the fun things, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.